Hi everyone, in our previous video we talked about how you can create Facebook business accounts, which is needed in running your Facebook ad, creating content, promoting your brand businesses online and other business activities on Instagram and every other platform that are managed in one place. So today we are going to be showing you how you can create a Facebook page, which is also needed in for running your Facebook ad, promoting your business online and other activities. So without much further talk, you head over to create Facebook page. You have to just click on this top menu bar by the top right hand side. Then you click there, you scroll down, you're going to see pages. So you click on these pages here. So when you click on pages, you're going to see a list of pages that you will manage. Then you just have to click on this create here to create a new one. So once you click there, you click on get started. You are going to name your page. You name your page. Let's say for those that want to creating content, you can say, for instance, Pivonet TV. I see most people usually like bearing their name TV, some content creators. So let's assume this was one to create. You can say Pivonet TV. Then what category? Make sure you declare this category of your page, maybe for a digital creator, maybe for business, brand, e-commerce, depending if it's for a boutique store, you can say it's fashion. So depending, you just have to search for what aligns better with your business. So make sure you define that. So in this, you can say, in my own case, I'm a digital creator, so I'm selecting category digital creator. You can add up to 3 categories that are closely related. You can say product or service. It's also related to myself because I offer services also. So I can add another category. So let's say if there's any other category here, I can add which other. So just add as many. You can search and get more categories. Business service. I searched business. I typed business on this search bar. So you can say business service depending on. So you can search whatever keyword that is related to your business. So I click on next. I've added 3 categories, 3 related categories to make sure that my page always show up for a specific topic. So what that does is that it helps Facebook to understand what your page is all about and make it recommendable for people of interest. Yes, people that have interest related to your business. So it helps Facebook to understand which kind of categories of people that it will be, showing your pages to, suggesting your pages to. So here we're going to declare your address. I'm going to choose a city rather. You can say 8. Okay. Just type in your address there. Lagos Street. Anything can be your address. You can choose your city. You can say Lagos 9. Just type in your city. So here you are going to add your cover picture. You are going to add your profile picture to make sure that your page is branded and easily identified. So this is our page. We have succeeded in creating a page for our business, for our content, and whatsoever need that you need it. So with this, you can use this page and start running ad. You can use this page and start creating content. So with this, we have succeeded in creating content, creating our pages rather for our business and brand and whatsoever. So thank you. See you guys in the subsequent videos. We'll be sharing with you other relevant videos that support these previous ones that we've done. Thank you. See you then.